Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here various different types of hydrogens are given. One is with benzene, another is with alkene, another is with alkyne and sp3 carbon which is in side chain. You have to arrange all these protons in the NMR chemical shift. You have to arrange low to high. Here answer lies in the electron cloud. Normally the benzene hydrogen have higher chemical shift because of the rotating electron. Rotating electron keep the proton outside which is in the d-shielding region. Next comes sp2 then sp3. Everybody thinks sp3 carbon comes first because of the electronegativity, but the order is reversed here because of the electron cloud. If you look at the double bond, the electron cloud which is opposite to the hydrogen which is perpendicular. If you look at the alkyne, the electron cloud is parallel to the hydrogens. So hydrogen in the electron cloud which will be in the shielding region, so low chemical shift. So the order is A, B, C, D. So the concept you have to learn here is irrespective of electronegativity, here electron density decides the chemical shift. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.